What is up, guys? In today's video we're going to be working on this Chrysler 200, and I'm going to show you where and how to replace the battery on this vehicle. As you can see up here, the battery is nowhere to be found. We do have two jumping spots here, your positive and your negative, but your battery is going to be located in the fender well under the fuse box, so we got to lift up the car real quick. So the battery is located right here in the fender well. All we gotta do is take off this skirt piece, this clips right here in these bolts. If we turn the tire towards us, that will give us plenty of room, and then just take off the clips and the bolts. But for me, I like my elbow room, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off this tire right here. And now let's take off this plastic piece right here. Like I said, it has two 8mm bolts and then your plastic clips that go up here. You can use a prying tool or something like that. After you take off your fender cover here, 30mm socket, you can take off the battery cover here. You can see this battery is starting to bulge up. I guess it was already going bad. For sure it tests as bad, but maybe it was already bulging up too. So here with the 30mm socket, we're gonna remove the battery holder, this one right here, and then it has this little bracket here also on the side. On this battery holder, you just kind of like pull it toward the metal piece towards you, and then it should be able to come out like that. These battery terminals connectors here, they're aftermarket, so they should technically be 10mm bolts, but since these ones are aftermarket, I believe it's in 11mm. We're gonna take this one off and just kind of hang it up here. We'll clean it up later whenever we put the new battery on. And then the negative connector is back here, so we're gonna take it off also. Usually you should be able to pull the battery almost all the way out before taking off the negative cable, but since this is aftermarket, it won't kind of move the same way it should. So here we take off the battery. Here you can see the aftermarket connectors, but we're gonna go ahead and clean them off with this little brush here, battery terminal cleaner. Alright, after they're all clean, we're gonna go ahead and start our brand new battery. Here is the brand new battery. We slide it all the way in. We put our negative terminal connector right here. We tighten it up also with that 11mm bolt or socket, sorry. Then we put our battery holder, 13mm bolt, put it on, snug it tight for now. We're gonna put this little bracket here, also 13mm bolts. Now that everything's tight, we should be able to get everything secure, make sure everything's tight. Now we can go back and put our positive wire, making sure that nothing is gonna touch it here. Slide it on, and then I'll get this with a 11mm socket, tighten it up. We put our battery anti-corrosion spray, put our little plastic fender cover back on, and then we can put our tire back on, and that should be everything. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned where the battery is at and how to replace it. And as always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.